Welcome to today's video. In this video, while you are at home watching the screen, you will witness scenes of Mother Nature's wrath that you never want to experience up close. Before watching the video, be sure to subscribe to the 8-Minute Adrenaline channel. See how the deadly power of a tornado destroys everything. This motorcyclist may be the luckiest person in this video because just seconds after she passes, the mountain collapses, blocking the entire road. When the power of the wind and storm tears this tree to pieces and even takes away all the belongings of the people in the city. Perhaps the most dangerous natural disaster is hail, and it is so large that it can cause a lot of damage. Floods that have the power to completely destroy homes in a matter of seconds. In this scene, you can see how deadly hail is, and when it destroys and shatters car windows, it can easily kill people. These people are lucky to be inside the car. The strength of the wind and storm is so great that it easily overturns this truck, and fortunately, thanks to the quick reaction of the driver of this car, no serious damage is caused. This flood hit a city in Afghanistan and caused a lot of damage. Look how lucky this man is to be able to get out of this flood and survive. If you've enjoyed watching these breathtaking scenes so far, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the 8 Minutes of Adrenaline channel. A terrible tornado and storm hit an airport in the United States. As you can see, the storm was so powerful that it easily destroyed the hangar and even lifted the planes off the ground and moved them. The damage from this incident is estimated to be in the millions of dollars. When the flood enters the city and flows through the streets, such destruction will follow. The power of the floods is so great that they even move cars like toys. The footage captured by the cameras shows how the storm destroys everything in a matter of seconds. Notice how that car disappears into thin air in a matter of seconds. The flooding of this river has caused this bridge, which is the only means of communication in this village, to be at risk of collapse and destruction, and these people are watching these scenes with concern. And the fire, where we witnessed one of the most terrifying and horrific fires in the city of Los Angeles, and saw how a city was completely burned and destroyed in several hours. A strange example of the power of nature, where the pressure of the flood caused a huge hole to form in the riverbed, swallowing the entire river into the hole. These tourists were filming the scene of the iceberg collapse and were very excited, but for the passengers on the boat near the iceberg, it was a terrifying experience.
And finally, we see real footage of an earthquake in a school. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you never see such scenes up close. And stay safe.